really exciting to be doing this play in Cleeves, because I think the site-specific plays are always more interesting than going to see a play in a theatre, because it's an adventure for the audience. They're getting into maybe a building that they haven't been in before, and they're following the action around to different parts of the building. And in this case, Cleeves is really important to us because it's the last remaining factory from 1919, and it actually featured very prominently in the original story of the Limerick Soviet. The workers in Cleeves were actually the first people to go on strike. They actually went on strike a day before the Soviet happened at all. So it is both sort of aesthetically and artistically pleasing to be there, but also it's historically really, really interesting and important to be there as well. I'm not a historian, I'm a playwright, and so people like Liam Cal, who very kindly launched the play this evening, he's the historian. And what I would like to happen is that people who are not that familiar with the story of the Limerick Soviet will come and see the play. It is by and large historically accurate as much as I can make it, though of course I've had to fictionalize some of it, I've had to invent new characters. But I think that it is it's an introduction to the Limerick Soviet, and I think that hopefully people will see the play, will interest them in the Limerick Soviet, and they can go and buy books like Liam's and find out some of the other factual historical things that have been written about it. Somebody once said recently, I discovered this quote recently, said that historians tell us what happened and artists tell us how it felt. So my job is to try and explain how it must have felt to be in Limerick at that time.